Right, so now we've got the pan boiling away. Just stick the old carrots in, old beans, snap peas, and we just wait for them to come back to the boil. So we're going to put a bit of salt in that. And while we're waiting for those to come to the boil, I'm going to get chicken stock. About a cup and a half's worth. Okay, so right at the last minute, just going to put the lettuce in. And we're going to take these out. To a bowl of cold water with ice in it, just to stop them cooking. We'll get a pan, just a bit of olive oil, not a great deal. We'll wait for that to heat up and we get the old chorizo in. Right, now our pan's heating up, so what I'm going to do is just put in the chorizo. What we do is just get the chorizo to release its oils, and then we're going to take it back out again. So that's all it needs. It doesn't need a lot, just to get rid of the not rid of, just to get it to release the oils out of it. What I'm going to do now is put the onions in, and garlic. So just let them soften down a bit. Be back in a minute. Right, these onions and garlic just start to soften down now. So we have pork, which has been marinating in soy sauce for about 4 hours. So that's going to go in. So now we've got our chicken broth. Add that in. Add some more soy sauce. About 2 tablespoons worth, I think anyway. Oyster sauce. Just a few peppercorns. And I like a few, I'm going to put a few bay leaves in. And we'll come back to that. Okay, so we're back, and what I'm going to do is add back the chorizo that I took out, add our shrimp, add some parsley, and our spinach. Okay, so we're going to bring that to the boil and let it simmer, which it's doing now, and we'll be back in a minute. Now we've got our noodles, so put these in the pan, let it absorb all the juice. Okay, so we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so now I'm just going to add the carrots, little snap peas, beans, and the little bit of lettuce. So we'll just let that warm through, and we'll have a little serve up. So we'll see you back in a minute. Yes, so, we'll get some of this nice noodlies out. Dump the old bay leaf in there. A few little spring onions, chopped up. So there we have it. I'll bring you in for a closer look. So, there we have it. Pancit Canton. It's urban style. It's not, obviously people have got different ways of doing it. So I told you in the beginning what I don't like in it, and I've taken it out and substituted it. So I'll just put some chopped spring onions over it, and I've already tasted it and it's really lovely. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. And thank you for all the new subscribers that have come aboard, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers guys, see you later.